In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook to your Instagram page. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, and to do this, you will need a business Instagram account. So if you haven't already swapped over to the business account, go ahead and do that now. And once you have done that, what you need to do is simply click on your profile picture. Once you click on your profile picture, you can then go to the three lines in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the three lines, you can now click on the settings tab. And then once you click on settings, you will need to select the creator tab here. And this is the reason you need a business account. Once you click on creator, as you can see, there is an option near the bottom for connect or create. Click on connect or create, and as you can see now, it is giving me the option to connect my Facebook page or to create a Facebook page. So to connect to an existing page, what you need to do is select that option, and then it will redirect you over to this. And then as you can see, my Facebook is now showing up automatically. So all I need to simply do is click on continue. Once I click on continue, I can now click on yes, finish setup. And then once I do that, it will just go ahead and connect my Facebook to my Instagram account. So that's how you can go ahead and link your Facebook to Instagram.